In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Amazon Prime free trial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate the trial on the website, what you get during the free period, and the key things to watch so you don't get charged unexpectedly. First, open your browser and go to the Amazon Prime page at amazon.com/prime. On that page, look for the button that says Start Your Free 30-Day Trial and click it. You'll be asked to sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, choose the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. It's quick and free. Next, select the plan you prefer, either monthly or yearly. This choice only affects the price after the trial ends, so pick the one that makes the most sense if you decide to keep Prime later. You'll then add a valid payment method, such as a debit or credit card or another accepted option. Finally, confirm by selecting Start Trial or Confirm. That's it. Your free trial begins immediately, and you'll have full Prime benefits right away. Here's how the free trial works. For eligible users, it's typically 30 days at no cost. During the trial, you get fast shipping on eligible items, access to Prime Video, Amazon Music, and exclusive Prime-only deals and savings. Availability and offers can vary by region, but the idea is the same. You get the full experience to see if it's right for you. A few important tips. Even though it's free, you must enter a valid payment method to start. You won't be charged during the trial unless you continue after it ends. Prime memberships auto-renew, which means that when your 30 days are up, your trial converts to a paid plan based on the monthly or yearly option you chose. To avoid charges, cancel before the trial ends. A smart move is to set a reminder for a day or two before your renewal date and check your membership details in your account so you know exactly when it's scheduled to renew. Eligibility is generally for new Prime members or those who haven't used Prime in a while. If you're not eligible, you'll typically see a notice at sign-up. If you are eligible, you're all set. Just follow the steps we covered. And if you plan to keep Prime, remember, you can revisit your plan choice later to switch between monthly and yearly if that better fits your budget. That's the whole process. Start your trial, explore the benefits, and decide with confidence before the renewal date. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Prime trial.